So I'm going to show you how to make easy cream biscuits. So you can either make them as a drop biscuit or you can actually roll them out if you'd like to. I'm going to be using our purple straw flour. I'm going to be using the sifted. You can use whole wheat. If you don't have that, you can check it out on our website. It's really good for biscuits. So it's just 2 cups of, we like to use the purple straw flour, but you can use any kind of pastry flour. 3/4 teaspoon of salt, then baking powder. So you need a tablespoon. You're just gonna mix the flour, the baking powder, the salt together, all your dry stuff. Then you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of butter. You're gonna melt it and just put it in there. And 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And then you're just gonna mix it. Take a spoon and just drop it out on the pan. So if you wanna roll out your biscuits, you're gonna turn it out onto a floured surface. And you're gonna just make sure you've got all the pieces together because it is a little shaggy. You're gonna flour the top, have the flour on the bottom, and then just roll it out till it's about 3/4 of an inch thick with your rolling pin. So then you're gonna want to use probably a 3-inch round biscuit cutter, or you can just use a drinking glass, and you're gonna cut out the biscuits. Then you're gonna have some scraps after you're done rolling them out. So you're just mash them together into a ball, roll it out again, and you can cut out more biscuits and put them on a baking sheet. If you don't want them to stick, you might want to use a piece of parchment paper underneath the sheet. So we're just going to take the other 2 tablespoons of butter and you're just going to dab it on. It's going to help it brown. You'll cook it probably 350, 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. I'll bring it back. So this is about halfway. So you can tell they still look kind of doughy on top. You can see some of the butter. Rotate. And there's my timer. Yeah, between 10 and 15 minutes, and your oven might be a little different. And that's easy cream biscuits.